have a guest book.
All right. Oh, yes. Oh, so this one, Chautauqua, and this one is Hi, Tiff. Remember the teacher?
Oh, okay. Yes.
She used to take part in my show.
Okay.
But she said she lives three houses. Remember me? The curtain.
I'm just filming.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. I'm going to cheers.
So the wood pieces, the rest of the pieces in the room are pieces that I created since I'm here in Merida. This particular piece was featured in the first show that I had, my first international show, which I thought was cool. And it's called Layers of Her. And it talks about the complexities and just the different roles that we have as women and the different layers. Some soft, some hard, some fun, some colorful, some not. So
This is my daughter. This is Shamanda.
Same in my house, the outside. I have to brush
Yes, but some of the work, thank you. Some of the work is mine.
Yes.
And I have, yes, and then I have a section with all drastically reduced. No, not yet. Yes, if you want any of these. I see, all 500, all of them.
This is yours? I couldn't
No,
find
this
your name.
one was due from Trinidad. She said for me to Trinidad. I don't have quite a while, but I have originals like
Yeah, I
that.
saw your name on
Yes.
some and then.
Yes, so and then I have some nice hand painted ones from a fashion show that I did. Some
This is so talented.
I bring too much, that's my story. Yeah, this one is oil on canvas. It's one of my first pieces from many years ago. And I have to part with some of it, you know, I have to make peace and say, you know, go with people who can appreciate it. I need to do some more work. Even these, all of these, I want to
Ready to make
yes, yeah, all of them. They're beautiful. Even this one. I mean, it's great to have it, but I have to make it.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm gonna look for a bag for you. I think I have bags up.